What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with another Discord bot tutorial. So I know you guys might be thinking, why did you create another video if the first one hasn't even reached 10 likes? Well, the answer to that is I was bored. I needed to do something. So I started recording this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use embeds in Discord bots. So let's get started. First, you want to open your code up, and it should look something like this because that's what we did in the last video. If you haven't seen that, then you should check out the last video, link in the description. I just show you how to set up and stuff, so yeah. So let's just create a command. Let's do client.command, then parenthesis, then async def. Name this whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it embed. After all, we are making an embed. Then ctx colon, and then you want to make a variable that could be named anything. I'm just gonna name it m. Then equals Discord dot embed, and then here. Okay. So here, you do that, then you can put in the title of the embed, which could be anything. Just gonna keep it embed title, then comma here, then description equals, you can put anything in description here. I'm just gonna keep it embed description. So you can probably see where this is going. I'm just gonna name everything how it's supposed to be. And then here, then you can put in a color, which is Discord.capital C. Wait, I spelled that wrong. Should be like that. Then dot red or any color. You can see there have all of these colors. You can use whatever you want. And then if you choose a color, for example red, be sure to put in the parenthesis after that. Or you can do Discord color and then put in a hex code in here. For example, 00FF00. And then put the things in, and yeah. Wait, no, I don't think you put the things in. Yeah, don't put the things in. Then, after that, you can put n.addField. This will just add another field in the embed. Okay, so as you can see, that's raising a syntax error. So let's just, yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Then here, you can put in name equals whatever, field name, then comma, then value here, and then field value, then comma. Here, wait, you don't need to add a comma for the first add field. You can just keep it like that. But if you have another one, for example, you do that and then this, and you have another one, then you want to add a comma here and then put in inline equals either true or false. True means that both of them will be in the same line, but if it's false, that means there'll be like one's up here, one's at the top, and one's at the bottom. So it'll be like that. Then you can do m.setAuthor, and in this you can put name of the author, which could be author name, and then wait. Then you can put in like an icon URL, which could be virtually anything. You could have like a URL that you want to use, or you could just put in cts.author.avatar_URL. What this does, it takes the person who uses commands avatar and transforms it into a URL and then use it like this. Then after that, you can put in m.setFooter here, you can put the footer at the embed, so text equals footer text, and then comma, and then here you could put icon URL, which could be the ctx.author.avatar URL or URL. I'm just going to keep it as ctx.author.avatar.url. And then, after you wrote all of the fields and stuff, you want to be sure and actually send the embed. So, await ctx.send embed equals n, and let's run it, then test it. So as you can see, mine stopped working because in the inline I didn't put anything, which is dumb of me. So I'm just gonna put the true there and keep it like that. Why is that? Yeah.
2 hours later.
And bot ran, so let's check it. And it's online. Then we can do test. That sends hi. If we put help, as you can see, it has embed there now. So embed, and okay, so there's a problem with this, so just try running that again. And yeah, okay, so I don't know how this works, so I'm just gonna keep it as red there and let it work. And tutorial worked. Go here, it's online, embed commands right there. We do embed, see, it sent everything. So author name, our icon, embed title, embed description, field name, field value, and then footer text and our icon. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Remember, the like goal for this video is 3 likes. So if you hit that, then next week I'll try to find time to make another video. And yep, peace.